What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Pree, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. And as you can read from the title, today we doing the one chip challenge. Yeah, man. So I know y'all seen a lot of videos on the one chip challenge, but you haven't seen us do it. You know what I'm saying? We right here live at OG Studios. Make sure y'all check out the website www.ogstudios with a Z at the end. You know what I'm saying? And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Road to 500, but we're really aiming for that 1K though. You know what I'm saying? So like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna get right into the video. Let's get it. One chip challenge.
So there, don't know what danger, one chip challenge.
Yo, it's Shay, baby. Shay with a C. And we gonna see what happens, okay?
Yeah, it's Ryan Medea. I do the one chip challenge. I like something that's not easy.
Hey guys, it's Victoria. VVS now to the S and the Z, and by my Vicky.
Take a look. Are you about to take a look for him?
What is this?
No, this shit says any last word.
What does this say? I destroyed.
Some things that if you fail, you say you destroyed. Get ready to hold this up, Victor. Okay. 5 minutes. Okay, so it says 5 minutes. Oh, how long can you last before getting on? 5 minutes powerless, 10 minutes powerful, 30 minutes supercharged, 1 hour invincible.
Don't eat it yet.
But didn't you just say?
No, never know what's now. I'm in fun. Everything else.
It's a black chip. That's what this is.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
On 3.
Hold on.
On 3?
Hold on, bro, because I'm really not ready yet.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not ready.
I'm not ready.
Y'all need to stop flagging me about to eat this.
I'm not ready.
4, 3.
Wait. I gotta eat the whole chip?
Yes, you gotta eat the whole
I can't just take a bite?
No, the whole chip.
So this is a big chip.
The whole
Brother,
chip.
This is a big chip.
California.
So nothing broke you up?
No.
Brother, just
I can't. Yo, man.
brother, just fuck up the chip, brother.
2,
That's a food for shell, man.
1. Eat the chip. Yeah, right. Eat the chip. Eat the chip. Eat the chip.
No way.
Eat the chip. Eat the chip. No, Ariel, eat the chip. No. Ariel, eat the chip.
No.
Ariel, eat the chip.
Spicy?
Ariel.
I'm eating it.
No, you gotta eat the whole thing.
Oh, hell no.
I'm about to disqualify.
Yes.
Ariel, you got 5 seconds. You got
5? Then what's wrong?
Disqualify. 5,
Then disqualify me then.
4,
I'm eating.
3, 2, 1. Alright, you lost. Nah, you lost already. You ate the whole thing.
You ate it?
Everybody ate it but you.
For real?
He needs some milk. He needs some milk.
Oh, man. done.
Ooh, I'm not swallowing that.
Fuck for this.
I'm crying. I didn't even swallow it. This shit is hot.
How you feel? You won. How you feel? Yeah, bro, you didn't even eat the chip, bro. Where's that? You want more milk?
Yeah. Nah, hurry up, please, man.
Nah, say you want more milk.
Yo, nah. Man, I hold for start ball, dog. Big one thing, better be a start ball, dog. Big one thing, dog. Fuck for this.
There's something you can't see a whole clip.
Yo, Vic. DJ Danger. How you feel? You
Never
almost,
again, bro.
You
Fuck
almost won. You almost won.
Bitch, I'm dying. Fuck you.
I'm done.
You have to do that again. You're good.
Where's the milk?
You fucking up, bro.
Hey, y'all know that milk not gonna help y'all, right?
I always feel like you almost win, brother.
Bro. Oh my god, bro. It doesn't stop.
It's terrible.
Right now, Satan can't suck him, mother, now. Fuck this.
Yeah, sir, it's your boy White Pree, and we're gonna do the one chip challenge.
It's your girl, Main Visual.
Oh, I don't know it, boy Jam Bisco. Follow me on YouTube, Jam Bisco reaction page. I don't know. Instagram.
Hi, I'm Nabi. You can follow me at Nabi Kozart on Instagram. Yeah, one chip challenge.
Yeah, so we're gonna get into the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. DJ Danger is gonna count down to 5, and we all gonna eat the chip and see who's last man / woman standing. Let's get it. One.
I can't do this. No, it's not. I cheated. I tasted a little bit on my tongue. That shit high. That shit high. My tongue is burning already. I can't.
5,
I can't.
4,
Oh, eat it. 5,
3,
4.
2, 1, go.
You said all that shit. I should eat the fucking Doritos. And then you
I already regret that shit already.
Why I got to do it?
I already regret that
oh
shit.
my fucking god.
You said you chilling. Y'all doing good.
I already regret that shit already.
How?
Look at
Oh,
it's chilling, bro.
yeah, y'all doing good. I feel bad now.
It's about to hit.
Hey, don't wait.
It's about to hit. Watch it.
That's what I'm saying. That shit hot.
It's about to hit.
Where's victim?
Oh my god.
Time.
I can't.
Get some bread too. Y'all took the. Get some bread too. Y'all took the gloves off? Take the gloves off, please. Don't touch nothing until you
Touch your
gloves off.
face. Touch your
Pree,
face.
take off the glove from now, bro. Yo, the dog, I swear to them. See them over there, sweat for you. Sweat. That man, they're drinking water.
Oh my god! You out?
They drink water now?
So y'all.
Yo, eat wing.
My ears are fucking ringing, literally.
Eat some bread, I'm telling you, eat some bread. Eat some bread.
Hey, yo, take the gloves off. Take the gloves off.
I recommend it.
I can't! My mouth is burning! I'm gonna cry! Fuck. Oh my god. I want to go away.
Yo, we have to say that. We have to say. Talk to people in my heritage. Talk away, bro.
You got me certain, boy.